How to delete ChatGPT account. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video on how to guide. In this video, I'm exactly going to show you the process of deleting a ChatGPT account. Now that I've just opened up this article by ChatGPT or OpenAI themselves, and they say that there are two ways that you can delete. The first way is through the website of OpenAI. But for this video, we're going to use the second method, which is through the email support. There are 3 steps to this. You just send an email to this email address. In the subject, you add an account deletion request, and in the body, you type in "please delete my account." So open up your emails and then create a new mail, and I'll just copy in the email address, copy in the subject, paste it in as well, and then lastly the body. Once you type in all these 3 lines, which is the email, the subject and the body, you can just tap on the send button and send this email. Now after you send this email, your account will be deleted within 2 weeks. So that was the exact process. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.